Here's a thought: using digital software to improve the physical world. Let's think about that a bit more. Welcome to this new YouTube channel. I'm excited to share my thoughts, ideas, and real-world examples of how I use Notion to manage my work and personal life. Before we dive into the content, let me share a bit about myself. My name's John, my mom calls me JP, and my wife calls me whatever she wants. I've been working in the construction industry for over 10 years, and although I wouldn't consider myself a subject matter expert just yet, I am hip to share my knowledge and help others learn easier and more effective ways of doing things. I've been on Reddit for a year or two now, and I've shared my Life OS template with some pretty stellar feedback from Redditors and other users that have downloaded the template and made it their own. And I've also been asked to share how I use Notion in my work life. And I haven't quite cracked that nut yet, but hopefully I can through these YouTube videos. Now, what should you expect from this channel? I'll be sharing tutorial and walkthrough videos on an intermittent basis. I'm blessed to have a full-time job managing capital projects for a living, so I cannot say how frequently videos will be published. But, in no ill will meant to other content creators, this does mean I'll be bringing real-world content and scenarios to the table, not just concepts that may or may not work. Most things discussed here will already be in practice in my personal and professional life, as well as some of the folks that I work with. For now, videos will cover a pair of topics, namely the use of Notion for managing construction projects, but also the use of Notion for personal life management. I believe learning should be fun, easy, and engaging, so our videos will be filled with laid-back tones. I'd want to make sure that viewers not only learn something new, but also enjoy the process. I'm cognizant that not everyone thinks the same, and there's varying preferences. So videos posted here will more often speak to the why things are set up the way they are, followed by my preferred way to use and interact with setup. This way you and others can tweak items to your liking while being informed of the inner working of things going on in the background. Thanks for dropping by. I hope some folks will be able to glean solid thoughts from these videos that make life just a bit more easy. I'm not going to mention anything about forgetting to subscribe to the channel. Let's learn and grow together.